nginya senate aramita soko huru wanakorwo we mutongoria wa bunge wanakorwo we MP no we maundu mothe maria makoragwo magithii na mbere bunge ndureciria bara no ne genuine
bara ya corruption Kenya akorwo mundu urametongoria ni William Ruto we are going nowhere. Ruto kindu kia mbere kiria ekire twathurwo ro uguo ri 2022 aje go compromise kiama gitagwo UDM niyo yathurirwo Madera mutongoria wake ni Ali Roba Lamoni haria Karen aituika na sio mali members ya ODM Azimio
yes
niyo mali ya mbere go compromise na riu ni ndirari undu ndonaga na maitho makirikia ri nuonaga andu matwarwo na hau handu karumu no kona andu mauma na tubhaca twega tuli tunoru twa brown riu ri ucio ni wora tongoria bara ya kuhurana na hugumania
okay
William Ruto kuma hau twa matu tungi tuothe na ma independent niona ena independent member dace mania na hake ogete na mutumia wake na muriu akiuma ringi ndiro ni mundu njui actually a former classmate he's a sitting member of parliament he's an independent ani muhujia ni mundu njui muno to methe nake kuma form 1 riu dace mania na hake hau akiamba riu kabasa ndironire gaka ndironire kaguo ni njui no uthime kari na 500 riu ngimenya nginya kuma hindi iyo ri arutaga wira na mwena wa thirikari
mogethera mutumia na mwana
ongira mutumia na muriu this is not a story na agikana no ndimuririkanie muthenya ucio uguo ri ni riu gitwika Ruto no orarwa na corruption Kenya yethi na ini basi tondu bunge virtually everything he does no ginya ete ajube kaundu gagithiga thirikari no menya ti kwajia rajia oro yajiririe tene ari o deputy
okay
in fact ajube mathura Karen wake na hindi kuma hindi no go mathura mauga ki hasla eta go siatweka hasla jet anga ki mundu mamuthembe this is not Ruto ri na no yende juye kaundu kamwe nigetha tumenye ati uhoro wa corruption is in the wrong hands. And unfortunately, our EACC so compromised, so captured. It is very weak, very weak. DCI is in the middle of it.
Okay.
Not yet na adu magaruta wera kodo. It is just that this terrible state capture.
Okay.
Tajirate de gatonye. Ona kanitheni wera atuika yegwa goko state house re era kone company yetagwo CRBC ya China CRBC no ereka renovation ya state house CRBC no ereka through direct procurement no eraka Talanta Stadium CRBC no eraka this thing at Bomas of Kenya CRBC against my advice as Attorney General Gimena tiga the government is going to lose a lot of money. 6.2 billion. You know wakaja this thing ya Rironi Mao Summit.
Yes.
Gimena, why don't you negotiate with these people? I come around as if it is not matiko make proper profit. Just extend the number of years. Because the road will still be in Kenya. They go there. For them to make their money, just extend the career. The period. Tuwaikara haha na Murkomen. Akajera woro maidia mathugu aya ri. umahego contract wamahe contract ni umathia ukomba mbeca kuma bengi ibu aya kabatu kabeno ao tukaje adwana hao ugo China mbeca ikoragwo ci gikabu-ini that you can make your own deductions no ni yakanjirwo na ni tukuriha Finsi the company the French company
yes
they have already demanded 6.2 billion.
Okay.
CRBC ni omara erosio. Same company. No, very soon ni okuona development kwa ja opposite GPU kwa ja kiukene na muno kia NSSF. Ni omara heo. CRBC wasio. Kuolia galana kulalu. Ni maheto wera wa kuruta ku CRBC. Na mati the idea direct.
Okay.
So, to fight corruption in Kenya requires the commitment and determination of only one person, the president.
Okay.
To do, you can get everybody towing the line. I know it's not rocket science. It is doable.
Bunge yon corrupt ogwerero.
Bunge. Let me tell you. Na dina message ona magera ukana. Dina message go thimu-ini. When I went for the vetting for the position of CS, a number of them, if Colorado no maririkaneri, even the introduction ya weta agula aheanire, tukini ni majowe. Na isi committee of appointment, they korona mainly korona adware makoreto megeka either their second or third term. Koni adu jowe. They are my members. Wetagura ke hana introduction you know the momo eke na kiga ni I'm not biased to akire kradi ke mwetu wale roommate, but I sense something. That introduction ni damage ina kawodo. Twale kiale. Very interesting. The moiri da huragiro ha ni a member
MPs.
Ati agai no amenya riu kaudu gemoria ki nie go and make your decision. Mogechi dia did qualified I don't meet the billing. Just go and make the decision. Makajira ashati oru tina oru ne no gashai ka thuri riu no muthuri hau ciana kwata message emwere ne kairetu is a lady. It's a lady. Now, you know, I would not want to give the name because many Kenyans think she is very straight. She is very straight, and she has a background in journalism. She has a background in journalism. Message yake turaga mudo ule dia wite gutumire
ni MP.
Ni MP.
When a background in journalism. Okay.
In a background in journalism. The message dina shiwa hachi yake. Liu Sorry, the taste of the pudding is the eating. I go they can have the audacity to ask me for a bribe.
Ni magwetana siga na mareda.
Asha, but ya gwetaga. No ni majirite. Ala mathiete mbere yakwa ri. Hideo Kindiki, Duale, Alice Wahome, othe ni mama thorete na Soipan ni twaririe nake. Akijira ru ni mamuthumbũria ni arorire ambire guthie Mombasa Malindi igwa
kogwa cio angi mari mbere ni
na Joho ni mathondekete maundu kogori na niĩ ri tondu ndiũĩ kĩrĩa maheanĩte no niĩ nĩ ndetirio na ngĩrega na ngira acio ndaũria agenda Alice gima niĩ I cannot give members of parliament money to do their work. Marakiri ho sitting allowance. Then wa committee yo. Okay. Na kiwa atiriri. I call it, if they are not dealing with the issue of my capability and knowledge of the subject matter, then they make a decision.
So where do arutire no aciage ma
I refuse. Nginya na message yo ndikyo message yo ituraga no mwene wa hurire ri ni murata wakwa muno akihurira akina na akina jua wewe ni chai tu ya wazee kidogo lakini ongea na whip yetu kairetu niko gokire riu niko whip
kairitu niko ka
riu niko kanjie ku make demands
gaka kenda background ya gender decision.
Yes.
Sawa tureke ndiki na gukuria mweshima giki nikio kiuria kia muthia Uhuru Kenyatta ari mukirutite wira nake muno ni njui mwe ngwataniro ya miaka mingi ngwataniro ya nyunda ici hana atia
kejuge ni twakorana any major differences except 2022 when Uhuru reu ni athire mwena uria na tena mbere yo ni anjirite to ndambia kumuria ngeithire iye cio mwageithania ri kuma March 2018 no kaci no horoge na for the longest time anjirite gutiari no horo no ningi I did not even dioni atari mahitia to do took a decision finally go support Raila na ni riu ri to ni ndaguga atiriri no nginya twambe tuikare the twarie na to tutiaikarire the kwaria ri kikiuga riu nani ri eke make decision yakwa na ni ngirie riu ngirie mwena uyu leta nigo twagethekaga leta tukiaria maundu macio gituika riu ri Uhuru aturehete hiti itari na magego no ithuiri tugika mahitia na rigiji tukigira tukahitire na magego riu but these are people we are talking
okay
in fact Uhuru Kenyatta has even 2 weeks ago he wrote the foreword for my book now he agrees, he has read the book and he says what JB says is the truth. He says it as it is, even if we may not agree with what he has said on a particular issue, but I like the fact that he says it as it is.
So
Uhuru, I still consider him a very and he's a good leader.
Going forward in Mount Kenya politics.
Tutigia kumu no ginya agakona ena andu marathi kumuhoya kirira. That's the role of a retired president. Kuheana kirira. Na no ndu mwega na ni njira imwe njega ya ku maintain culture citu. Culture yitu he's been there, he's been president, ginya ni wega ko no turamuhoya kirira kaingi na kaingi.
Tugukinyia hau mathaa maitu ni mainikirira sorry we watoria kiuria ndona ciuria nyingi muno irorio mundu oria mibango yakwa isolate Mount Kenya politically ndika tukuona ithaa tutingiona ithaa ria gucokia kiuria kiu mundu ngiwoiga no ende kuigua ugi wa muheshimu wa maundu maya makoretwo makirwo ati Kiambu Mount Kenya ndioi maundu macio no ihinda riratwitikiria tukinyia hau tu muheshimiwa tugagucokeria ngatho muno. Thank you so much. Ndeke guhe kanya nigetha warie kaundu kamwe tu kwi mwiroreri witu gicwini kia Mount Kenya kaundu karia ungimwira turikitie
uria ingiuga ingienda kwira muthikiria witu wa Mount Kenya na hiyo na ona urutari thiini wa Mount Kenya ni ati ithuĩ urumo witu niguo hinya witu na aria mundu ararumwo ni nyoka ri onaga karurigi akaruga na githungu niguo kuuga atiriri once beaten twice shy tutigacokere mahitia turekunyire gutu koguo guthii na mbere tumenye tugukorwo tukimuria tukorwo twi handu hamwe na tukorwo na kindu kimwe ati bururi timwe nduri handu hega na no nginya tucokie rwi mukaro na gucokia rwi mukaro ni kurehe uro wa good governance.
Ndureke tukinyia hau mwiroreri witu na tugucokeria ngatho muno nondu wa kuona ithuĩ rucini ruru tugikwendithirie muthenya mwega urori magukumia. Asante sana. Thank you mheshimiwa. Asante.
Urerorera Kameme TV. People Daily, Kenya's trusted newspaper, is making history as the first daily to go fully digital. By transitioning from print to the PD News app, we are delivering the same exceptional journalism you've relied on for years in a completely new way to experience it. It's news for today and the future. No paper, no waste. Just real-time updates and customizable stories. This is a leap towards innovation, sustainability, and a better experience for you, our reader. Download the PD app now on Play Store and App Store. People Daily. News that moves with you.
Kampuni ya Pwani Oils na Kameme FM na Kameme TV ni makuhaririria monanio masawa Farmers Field Day haria Githunguri Stadium tariki 19 September. Arimi othe a ng'ombe ciria ona aria mangienda kwambĩrĩria ũrĩmi wa ng'ombe ciria ni anyiti ũgeni magoka mone mĩtaratara mĩega ya kũgacĩrithia ũrĩmi wao. Oho nĩ mũkeyonera njĩra njega ya gũkama ũgĩtũmĩra maguta masawa milking jelly maria makoragwo marĩ soft, ng'ombe yaku ĩkagitĩrwo mĩrimũ na ndĩngĩhitha iria. Nĩ mũkeyumĩria inyuothe Githunguri Stadium tariki 19 mweri ũyũ.
Hihi tokorwo ũhũthagĩra thimũ yaku o kũhũra, gũtũma SMS kana gũtũmĩra WhatsApp tu, ureke tũgũcanũre ũrĩa ũngĩhota kwĩgĩra iheo nayo. Jishikie rewards. Ũrabatara o download app ya Stahili, weke survey o nini, uheo data, more internet, more live. Gũtirĩ gweterera na ndũrarĩhio onake. Nĩtũnyitanĩire na endia indo mwanya matuka-inĩ na athondeki indo gũtigĩrĩra ũũ atĩ wagũra kĩndũ ũkaheo rewards. Download Stahili app ũmũthĩ, wĩkĩre special code